Okay, as you can see, I've started on the interior first. I thought it's probably best to get cracking on that, considering we're going to be hidden out of the way, so we're not going to be able to see it very well. I've just gone by a few little reference photos and that, so white walls and a green floor, which is probably the majority of what it should be. I have seen some with this as a white floor, but I'm going with that. I think it's looks a bit more reasonable to me. I'll do a little bit of chipping and stuff on the handles and things, but alright, welcome back. So we got some dark, not dark earth, European earth, or Europe dust. Sorry. No, oh, stupid thing. This. There you go. Make Europe dust. Going on inside the vehicle. I put a bit of, probably best like that. Put a bit of black in there, black paint on the white work. Using the old sponge techniques. Same with the silver on the floor, the weathering and stuff on the floor. I've just realised something. I'll show you what I mean. Down. So this is the turret basket, as you can see. Marry it up to the deck. Well, I've actually done a bit of, well, a fair bit of weathering, just my usual standard of weathering. You see the turret basket is so close to the floor, you're actually not going to get it all scratched up in that area, even with its rotation. I mean, they must rotate. You're literally not getting there, are you? I don't know. I'll leave it like that. I like it like that. That's the update this week. Unfortunately, I have to wait for some paint to come in. I ordered some stuff off of Element Games. They had one of the pots of paint that I was showing us in stock, and it turns out it's not in stock. They're waiting for it to come in, so I won't be getting it. Olive drab for a while. It's in my order, but the one that's out of stock. One that's out of stock is this one, which is old grey MiG 119. It's out of stock. This is for my e-boat, which I need to find time to start that. I've also done a little bit of work on the exhaust. Yeah. You can't protect this from the light. Got some burnt staining and stuff on it. I've had to wait for the bottom dry from paint before I get that attached. I might do a little bit more on this. Dirty up. Don't forget, drilled the end of the exhaust out as well. So yeah, that's the update for this week. Like I said, I am start waiting for paint and stuff to come in now. So that's all I've got for you this week. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. I appreciate you. Thank you, Joachim and Marcus, for putting on this group build. There will be more progress, hopefully next week. Until then, I'm going to have to start something else. Bye for now.